Alright, starting now. We've decided to record midway through his tutorial of... He is currently tweaking. You don't know what this game is, it's Metal Gear Rising Revengence, Blade Wolf DLC.
Yeah,
He just finally got to the ending, but then got hit with a bomb and fell all the way down.
Shut up.
It was very funny. I wish I recorded the full session. He actually tried to do this on normal mode, but because he has to, because he needs the massive parry window, he switched back to easy.
I'm out. I'm out. Fuck no, I don't want to fight them.
I think you have to.
Damn.
Man, maybe this was when being good would have paid off.
Oh hell no.
Gorilla moment.
Let me just one combo. What the fuck, pause?
He was riding you. No, you were riding him. I don't know at that point.
I was about to tell you that.
Wow.
Very, very good.
Look at these massive parry windows he depends on. Definitely wouldn't beat. He beat the game. He used 2 healing items. Needed them desperately. And it was on easy mode. Maybe perhaps you weren't supposed to jump off the parkour. Oh boy, guess what time it is? Look up. Parkour time!
I wanna die.
I love the zero context, the little to no context they have about the previous parkour moment.
What?
This is gonna be a great video of watching you fail the parkour miserably. Because you're trying to do it so complicated. Collect the little blue thingies. Just follow the little blue things.
Ooh!
Wow, jumping a few times, super impressive.
Why C rank?
Because you got bombed. I can make this a little bit louder.
Alright, we're not gonna do that. No, just...
For legal reasons. Dude.
Yeah. Yo. Try that.
Kill.
He's gonna grab me, he's gonna grab me, he's gonna grab me, he's gonna grab me.
That was like 80% of the boss fight against, Armstrong. You getting grabbed.
berserk or something.
No, you skipped the cutscene and have no clue what happened.
Yeah. I mean, dude, we have to. They are like, you know,
Oh yeah, it did say you went AWOL. You missed so many.
I know. Bruh! How am I supposed to? Wait, I can run. No, I can't. I'm not even. I wasn't even touch the ground.
That man was minding his own business.
I'm hungry.
Woof woof.
No damage. GG easy, no read.
Says the guy on easy mode.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, I remember this place. Damn. 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 Yo. When it...
Known sex offender spotted. I love it, you got an S and then immediately after got a D.
Bruh.
It just says cross the bridge.
Oh,
You
okay.
don't have to fight them, but you're so used to just immediately busting out into song and dance.
Then I got impaled, remember? By Jeff Bezos.
Yeah, even you were like, well, this music's so good, and then immediately got, like, actually mollypopped. Never mind,
Ow.
you do have to fight them.
Yeah, that's why I said it in the first place.
Good luck! I love watching you play single-player games early in the morning. You know, as you try to not get killed instantly. Riveting gameplay. High quality graphics. Amazing cutting mechanics.
Oh hell no, they're raping me now. Yeah, I think I got insane. My system got broken, but I didn't factor reset. Because if I disobey an order, I get reset it, remember? If you even watch me play the game.
No, I do watch you play the game, but you skip all the cutscenes.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
How am I supposed to know what's going on when all I get is... I literally get like 5 lines of a line of dialogue, and then you skip it all. Not very helpful for finding out what's going on, man.
What the fuck?
Cut him. Absorb their electrolytes and then make some Gatorade. Get that Gatorade in your spine.
Ahead is an electromagnetic barricade.
See what I mean?
Pee, la caca, la. Bruh. Oh my days. Shut the fuck up.
I wish I knew what was going on. Dude, you keep squishing all those spines. When are you gonna get bored of it?
Never.
Okay.
Bitch. Fill me with uranium.
Access denied. Enter security code. Access denied. Enter security code.
Maybe try hitting it again.
Access denied. Enter security code.
Access denied.
Oh
Based.
wait. He looks adorable, dude.
Dude, he wants to kill you.
I don't care.
So, what now? Do you think you will run to the coast to freedom?
Yes.
Let me save you time. Just
Man, I'm gonna cut your head off.
No, that's what Raiden does.
What?
That's what Raiden do.
What? Fuck, man. I hate this. Damn.
Yum. Tasty. Boy, oh boy, I sure do hope I can record a gameplay video today. Nope. It's all Metal Gear Rising.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes.
Bam.
Man, you're getting cooked. Never mind, they're stupid. Oh, he's about to whack you.
Too bad I fucked his ass.
No hunt kills.
Oh wait, it's a barrier. Fuck. I'll take that.
Woohoo, heat knives. You're gonna British. You're just looting.
What else am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Look at the objective marker.
I need to prepare if there's a boss fight. I'm trying to find the card. That's what I'm trying to do, Isaac. Let me just do this. Maybe I'm wrong. Actually, I'm not wrong. I do need to find the fucking card. Oh, wait.
Wow. Very good barrier. You're fighting yourself.
No. Oh, hell no, Jigsaw.
Oh, it's Gunwolf! It's not Blade Wolf anymore, it's Gunwolf!
It's American Wolf. Down.
Never mind, that one's a Blade Wolf.
Oh yeah, I can be Blade Wolf, bitch. Oh, no, 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 no. For fuck's sake. Dude, maybe after we finish this mission, we should quit the recording. What do you think?
Oddly sexual right there.
I guess. I think I got it. Zog, why can I not parry him? Oh, I get it. When it's yellow, I cannot parry. Dude.
Wow, not even a boss. Already need healing.
Zog. That bro, I cannot. Damn, I'm getting home.
You're getting comboed. I really should have slept a little bit more.
Damn.
Dude, you're gonna die. I can tell. It's gonna be silly unless you land a Zangetsu or something.
Give me the no. For fuck's sake, I was about to land it. I'm dead. What the fuck?
He had to make sure.
Alright, let me lock in.
Man, let's see if you get cooked again.
Good work.
Surprisingly, you're not dying. Oh, well,
You see that start dying.
I jinxed it. Ah, you missed your Zangetsu. And I love how it's not even bosses, it's just normal enemies.
Can I block?
No, it's yellow. Yellow attacks can't be blocked.
Oh my day. Oh my day.
You're getting comboed by yellow.
I hate yellow people.
Whoa!
Yes. I hate yellow people.
Oh, the video's canceled.
Say it. What?
Yeah, I gotta cancel the video. Racism.
Nah.
As in yellow, he means people who use yellow attacks. AKA, every boss.
Yes. I hate every boss in this entire game that I spent $12 on.
What about that giant mech that you're about to fight? Is it
I
Mega Blade Wolf? Is it Big Blade Wolf?
Oh no.
Oh no, it's just a mech with an axe. Oh, it's a chainsaw axe.
Damn. Yup. What is this, bro?
You're about to die. I can tell.
I'm gonna die.
I'll just let you do this by yourself. I won't even comment.
Alright.
Unless you die. Oh, it's him.
Let's go.
Well, you're done. Good luck.
Yellow, yellow, yellow.
Whoa.
Down. Down. Down.
No.
See where he is?
No, I won't help
Down.
you.
I cannot run. I cannot run. Hold on.
Yeah, good luck, man.
Control bugging out. Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. You're just gonna die, that's all. Good luck with God, man.
Is bro just gonna predict my moves? What is he gonna do?
Kill you.
Whoop. Oh, damn. Oh, I gotta go behind him or something. Oh my god.
Alright. Man, that lag was insane.
Damn.
You're gonna die. I won't lie.
No.
You don't stand a chance against him.
How did bro see me?
Come, wherever you are, come. Come.
What? Oh, I get it. I know what I gotta do. I know what I gotta do. I get it. I get it. Owie.
Owie, my balls hurt. And after this boss fight, that'll be the video.
Yeah. All right. Let's do this. Ooh, I caught him lacking.
You're battle black? Wait for him to do big smash. Damn, I got hit by that. That like my whole fucking game out. Come, wherever you are, come.
What am I supposed to do?
Look at him.
Oh. Hello. No, dude. No, shut up.